I think a lot of these creatures that we see running around in the woods are genetically manipulated creatures.
Oh.
And so some, and the Nephilim is actually a biblical term. And,
right.
It comes from the commingling. The fallen angels copulated with human women and produced giants. And so that was the first generation of the Nephilim. But during the pre-flood world, there was all kinds of hanky-panky, I think, going on, and the fallen angels were doing more, were corrupting the DNA of all the creation. If you read the extra-biblical book of Enoch, it tells you what they were up to. And they were into all kinds of crossing animals, humans, fallen angels, DNA. They were doing all this genetic manipulation. And give you a little hint, Melba even commented to me that she didn't put it in the book or put it in the study because, she started getting enough flack. But she said that the Bigfoot's DNA appeared in some locations to be genetically manipulated. In other words, in some places there was an extra strand of DNA. There's 3 strands, not just 2. And it appeared that there may have been some genetic manipulation. And just another little teaser, the elongated skulls that they're now finding all over the world. Guess what?
You're not talking about the crystal skulls, are you?
No. I'm talking about biological entity elongated skulls. You can, if you go and look them up, there's people like L.A. Marzulli and some other biblical researchers. So they're not only him, Brian Forrester. They're starting to do DNA tests on these elongated skulls. And number one, they're not head-bound elongated. They only have 2 parietal plates, and the heads are 25% larger. So can't head-bound that. And they're not and they're basically not human. Well, guess what the DNA comes back on those? Human, female, unknown, on the male progenitor. Pretty much
on the nuclear testing is.
They come back just like the Bigfoot. So there's your tease for my theory. Of course, this book is my theory. I'll admit that. I go through the book and I give you my proofs, what I think backs it up. It's just none of the. It's opinion based on observation of the facts that I've gathered.